Hello, you absolute legends. Have you ever wished you could just stay in your pajamas all day, make money from your couch, and still feel like you've accomplished something? Well, strap in, because we're diving into the wild world of transcription jobs, a land overflowing with opportunity, flexibility, and enough caffeine to fuel a rocket launch. Transcription is like being a professional eavesdropper, but instead of juicy gossip, you're turning audio and video recordings into crisp, clean text. It's like magic, but with more commas and less pulling rabbits out of hats. And the best part? The demand for skilled transcribers is skyrocketing faster than a Jeff Bezos spaceflight. From academics to businesses, everyone needs a trusty transcriber to wrangle their words into order. So, whether you're a night owl, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone who values the sacred comfort of their own home, transcription might be your golden ticket to a flexible and fulfilling career. But hold your horses, cowboy. Before you dive headfirst into the wonderful world of transcription, let's break down two of the biggest players in the game, GMR, Transcription, and SpeakWrite. We'll dissect their application processes, pay structures, and even throw in some juicy do's and don'ts to help you navigate this exciting new world like a pro. So buckle up, Buttercup, because things are about to get very interesting. First up, we're tackling GMR Transcription, a company that's practically a celebrity in the transcription world. They're known for their rigorous standards, which might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's a good thing. Think of GMR Transcription as the Harvard of transcription companies. They don't just let anyone in. To join their ranks, you'll need to pass a grammar test that would make even your high school English teacher sweat. But don't worry, they provide a style guide to help you prepare. Once you're in, you'll be transcribing a smorgasbord of audio, from academic lectures to legal depositions, each with its own unique challenges and rewards. Now, let's talk money, honey. GMR Transcription pays per audio minute, and their rates are surprisingly competitive. They send out payments like clockwork every Friday via PayPal, so you can spend your weekends treating yourself instead of chasing down invoices. So, you've conquered the GMR transcription application process, and you're ready to start raking in the dough. Hold on to your hats, because here are some golden nuggets of wisdom to keep you on the straight and narrow. Do triple check your work. GMR Transcription prides itself on accuracy, so make sure your transcripts are cleaner than a whistle. Proofread, edit, and then proofread again. Your future self will thank you. Don't bite off more than you can chew. It's tempting to accept every assignment that comes your way, but remember, quality trumps quantity. Focus on delivering stellar work, even if it means starting slow. Do embrace the style guide. I know style guides sound about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me, GMR Transcription Style Guide is your Bible, your roadmap, your best friend. Don't be afraid to ask for help. We all get stuck sometimes. If you're grappling with a particularly gnarly audio file, don't suffer in silence. Reach out to GMR Transcription's support team. They're there to help you succeed. Now that we've explored the hallowed halls of GMR Transcription, let's mosey on over to SpeakWrite, another major player in the transcription game. If GMR Transcription is the Harvard of transcription, then SpeakWrite is more like a bustling state university, large, welcoming, and with a slightly lower barrier to entry. Don't mistake their approachability for leniency, though. SpeakWrite still expects top-notch work from their transcribers. Their application process involves a typing test and a transcription test, both designed to assess your speed and accuracy. Once you're in, prepare to be bombarded with a diverse range of audio, from corporate meetings to medical dictations. And just like GMR Transcription, SpeakWrite pays their transcribers per audio minute, with rates varying depending on the complexity of the audio. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated the SpeakWrite application process, and you're officially part of the club. But before you pop the champagne and start transcribing with reckless abandon, let's go over some essential do's and don'ts to keep you on the path to success. Do practice your typing skills. Speed is key in the world of transcription, and SpeakWrite is no exception. The faster you type, the more you can earn. So dust off that keyboard and get cracking. Don't neglect your grammar. Sure, speed is important, but accuracy is king. Don't sacrifice grammar for speed. Remember, a well-punctuated transcript is a happy transcript. Do familiarize yourself with different accents and terminologies. SpeakWrite works with clients from all walks of life, so be prepared to encounter a variety of accents and industry-specific jargon. Don't be afraid to use resources. Dictionaries, style guides, and online forums are your best friends. Don't hesitate to use them when you're unsure about a word, phrase, or formatting rule. Choosing between GMR transcription and SpeakWrite is like choosing between a double chocolate chip cookie and a warm apple pie. Both are delicious, but it all comes down to personal preference. GMR transcription, with its rigorous standards and competitive pay, might be your jam if you're a stickler for accuracy and crave a challenge. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more flexible and faster-paced environment, SpeakWrite, with its diverse range of clients and constant flow of work, might be more your speed. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try both. Sign up, take their tests, and dip your toes into the wonderful world of transcription. You might even find yourself surprised by which one you prefer. And there you have it, folks, the lowdown on two of the biggest names in the transcription game. We've covered the application process, payment details, and even thrown in some spicy do's and don'ts to help you navigate this exciting new world. Remember, the world of transcription is your oyster. Whether you're a grammar guru, a speed demon, or just someone looking for a flexible and rewarding career, there's a place for you in this ever-growing industry. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on all things transcription and beyond. We'll equip you with the knowledge and resources you need to thrive in this exciting and ever-evolving field. Until next time, happy transcribing.